When Google was asked, what is the definition of zone pushing? Google responded with,
Zone pushing is the practice of growing plants in a garden that are not supposed to survive in the local climate.
Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. For those of you new to my channel, I have been experimenting with growing exotic plants at this location since 1988. The temperature this morning is minus 16 Celsius. That's about 10 degrees colder than yesterday. Gardeners need to be eternal optimists, especially those of us who go to the extremes of trying to protect large tropical and subtropical plants. Imagine this snow-covered scene looking like this tropical getaway in a few short months. That is, if everything goes well. So I think what I and my colleagues worldwide who are using similar methods growing palm trees and exotic plants definitely qualify as zone pushing. This is my car. As I was clearing the snow at the end of the driveway, yet again, a present from the snowplow operator. Those of you in snowy regions know exactly what I'm talking about. I look at my palm boxes, half buried, with an additional 9.5 inches of fresh snow. That's the third time in less than 2 weeks. My mind goes to comments made by fellow palm tree and exotic plant growers who call themselves zone pushers. Their comment was, "What you are doing in colder climates, enclosing and heating your trees, is not zone pushing." And I'm thinking, what the Just because we are not fortunate enough to live in a milder climate and simply throw our tarp over our tender plants with an added light bulb for a few hours or days and call themselves zone pushers. Those of you in snowy regions know exactly what I'm talking about. Without these extreme measures, none of these plants could survive. These are my thoughts on the matter, which I shared with a fellow exotic-style gardener in New York State, who recently said the same thing on his channel a day or two ago. I hope he doesn't mind me sharing. They should consider what they're doing as zone nudging. I know this is a touchy subject for some of you. The need to cover our palm trees and exotic plants with sometimes more elaborate structures, including with added heat sources for several months to ensure they can survive, is a sign of a passionate gardener and a true zone pusher, in my humble opinion. Happy gardening from the Great White North and a true extreme zone pusher in Zone 5B, Ontario, Canada. Let's hope spring comes soon.